Right. Yeah. Yeah. Hi everyone. Good evening. Right. Welcome to the demo class. Right. So now today topic is introduction of the technologies. Right. So our course is what is our course? So our course is HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap version 4. This is our course. That means UI technologies is our course. Okay. HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. This is our technologies. Right. So before going to this introduction, I will introduce myself. My name is Ramesh. I have 10 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Right. So this is about my introduction. Right. Now this technologies HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap. So by using this, what we can do, we can develop, we can create user interface. What is that? User interface. That means user interface. That means UI. Understanding everybody? Hello. Don't be silent, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I'm hearing you, hearing you.
Yes, sir.
So user interface UI. Okay. So there is other terminology also there. UX. What is that? UX also there. Suppose if you are walking in the Amirpet Maitravanam area, you will say UX slash UI technologies, something like that. You will say understanding UX slash UI, something like that. So what is the difference between UX and UI? Both are same, or else they are same, or else there is any difference. UX or UI? What is your opinion? Just try to guess. UX and UI both are same, or else is there any difference? Hello.
UI means the interfacing. Uh, we are going to interact with, and
Okay.
UX means the user experience, what we are experiencing.
Okay. Right. So here UX and UI both are not same. Okay. UX and UI both are not same. So UX is graphical part. UX is graphical part. UI is programming part. That means HTML CSS part. Okay. So UX means user interface. User interface. Sorry, UX means user experience. I'm really sorry. UX stands for experience. Okay. UI means user interface. So user experience means what user will experience. What user will experience. Suppose if you observe here, if you going to this, wait 1 second, there is no logos. So you are experiencing here. See there, you are seeing here a cart, right? Everyone, kindly respond. And here you are seeing here is a magnifying glass. You are observing or not? Don't be silent.
Yes, yes,
Here,
sir.
please respond. Okay, and here you are experiencing this cart also. So by seeing this, what we can experience? Okay, this is about our products. That means this is how much cart is. And by seeing this, okay, we can search here something like that. We can understand. Understanding or not? Okay, everybody. So
Yes, sir.
what is this
Yes, sir.
user experience? Suppose if you are seeing here a greater than symbol, this one, and you are seeing here less than symbol, by using this, what you will understand? Less than and greater than you will understand, or else you will it is previous and next you will understand. How you will understand it? This is previous and this is next. Right, everybody?
Next.
Please respond.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So by you seeing this, what we are seeing, so this is for, yeah, this arrow is indicating the forward. That means next. This arrow indicating the backward. That means previous. Okay. So UX means what? Graphical user graphical part. So by default, say if anybody sends the requirements, okay. So nobody directly do nobody start a HTML page directly. So okay, business team, business analyst will fix the requirements after talking to the clients, and they will send that requirements to the various departments, UI department. Okay, that means the designing department, and programming departments, or mobile application development, and web application development, and testing department. Okay, so and one they will they will keep a copy to the business team person, business analyst persons also. They will keep a requirement sheet themselves also. So what they will do, they will send it to the designing team, right? In the designing also there will be two persons will be there. Okay, UX designers and web designers, UI designers. Okay, everybody. So most of the time UX and UI will done by the same person. Of course, UX is not included in the course. That means that is graphical part, Photoshop, we need to use it. So that is not included in the course, but just information I'm telling. Okay, everybody, right?
Okay.
So yeah. So now what they will do, first of all, they will send you the designing thing. So what the designers will do, in the designers also, UX person will start the first work. Okay, so he will
Okay.
gather, he will read all the requirements, then he will know how to convert that requirements into an application form. So where the search box should come, where the logo should come, where the menu should come. That means notification menu, something will be there, right? So where they should come,
Yes, sir.
then after where they should display the other menu, or else any categories or something like that. That means, okay, how to display the offers, then after how to display different categories, all those things they will understand. Okay, then they will first design a wireframe. What is that, they what they will do, they will design a wireframe. Who? UX persons. So your wireframe
Okay.
means what? Positions of the application. So here logo will come, here search box will come, here menu will come, like that. Okay, everybody. So first we will start the project, UX designer. So we will open a Photoshop, okay, software, and then he will design that positions, and he will send it to the wireframe to the client. So if the client is satisfied with that positions, then he will ask, yeah, then that person will ask him to design, to convert that into a markup. Then what he will do, he will just simply, okay, he will just simply place the exact images in the exact locations. For example, I will display something for you. Okay, so here markup. See here, everybody,
Yes, sir.
seeing it, everyone. Okay, this is the wireframe. Sorry, what is this? This is the wireframe. So here logo will come, left side, top side, top left, logo will come. Top right, some notification related icons will be there. Understanding? Then after there will be a slide image. Horizontally center, there will be a search bar. Below that, exactly adjacent to exactly below, there will be a menu also. That menu will be four types: menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, and menu 4. And below, sorry, and then after there will be two categories: trending food and best offers. And normally they will display two things below the image. What is that? Item name and restaurant name. But whenever you over see here, there will be another two things will be there. One is the price and another one is the order now button. Clear it, everybody? And then
Yes, sir.
after there will be review section. Okay, so review your image and review your description. And then after footer, in footer also horizontally they will divide it into two. So in the below section they are writing, just writing the copyright information, and in the above section they are again dividing into three sections. One is left side, and another one is the middle, and another one is the right. Okay, everybody. So again in the left section
Yes,
also
sir.
they are dividing into logo and the about us section, and the in the middle they are writing here subscribe for newsletters purpose, and in the right side they are writing here social media icons promotion. Okay, related to our application. Clear it, everybody? What is the wireframe is? Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is done by only one person is responding. I want
Yes, sir.
everyone's
Yes, sir.
response. Okay. Right. 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 Okay. So UX person, he will design this type of things. What is this? Wireframe. So then after he will send it this wireframe to the client. If he is satisfied with these positions, then he will request to the designer to convert this into a markup. So how to design what is markup? You will observe here. Observe the markups. You are observing, right? Everybody, kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See there? Yeah, exactly. Left side logo, and the right side some notification icons, some icons. This is the related application related uh, pointer. Okay, location pointer, and this is for bouquet table, and this is the price related things, and this is the user sign in and login related things. And then after, see there, search bar. Exactly below there is a menu also. Okay, and again in the back end there is an image. And observe here, trending food and best offers, two sections. Normally it is displaying the item name and restaurant name. And then after, whenever the user is over, the image is little bit zooming. And then after, here it is showing this price and this buy now also, this one. But what is this? Button also.
Add to cart
Buy now.
now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Order now button also. Okay. Right. Then after, there will be review section. See this, review your image and the description. Review your image and the description. And again the footer, two sections. Below is copyright and above is three sections. Left side, middle and right side. See this, right side there is only social media icon promotions, social media promotion related links. Right, everybody, can you respond?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, right. So Srivastav, you are not responding. Rana,
Sir, I'm responding.
okay, right. So this is what? This is the, what is this?
Logo bar.
Markup. Markup.
Mark.
Okay, what is this? Markup. Okay, not markup. MOCKUP. Okay, markups. So markups means what? Exact images in the exact location. Wireframe means what? Only the locations. See here, only the location. There is no proper images. Only the locations. But markup means exact exact images in the exact location. Okay. So if the user is
Markup,
satisfied with this type of, yeah, you are saying something.
markup language means MARKUP, markup, na?
See, I'm telling you about markup. I'm not telling you about markup. I'm not telling you about HTML. Okay, Srivastava, don't get confused. Markup, this is. This is not about
Please tell the
language.
spelling,
Okay.
spelling, sir.
Hello.
Spelling. Please spell it.
Mark, MOCKUP. Markup.
Okay.
Don't compare this with that okay, HTML markup. Okay, I will explain that
Okay.
HTML a little bit later. Okay. Yeah, right. Right. So other persons are understanding, right? What this markup is? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then after, what he will do, he will send this to the client. So if he is satisfied with this designing, then what he will do? Okay, he will request the proper designer to convert this into a web page. So then what he will do? He will design like this. See, this is the HTML page. Of course, this is not our project. This is not our project. Okay, don't expect this. Okay, our project, our template is different. Okay, right. So see here, this is the logo and this is the notification icons. And if you observe here, there is a drop down menu. That means there is a menu. And then after, whenever you over, see there, it is zooming and the price and order now button and details, and this one also coming. Okay, right. And then after review section, see there, copyright and footer, three sections. Left side, below, sorry, middle and the right side. Okay, right, everybody?
Okay.
Hello. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So this is what happens internally. So before starting the project, this is the process they will conduct. Okay,
Okay.
this is the process they will do. So to design this web page, okay, to convert to design a web page, they will use these technologies. To design a web page, they will use HTML5 and CSS3, and to convert that web page into a responsive web page, they will use this framework called Bootstrap. They will use this framework
Okay.
called Bootstrap. Okay, right.
Okay.
And then, so now what we will learn in this course? Okay, what is the thing you will learn in this course? That means what is the thing we will design in the last. So everybody will get that doubt also. So that's why I am telling here. Observe there. Say this. This is the template we will design in the last. And this is responsive. And if you observe here, see there. Whenever it is maximized, the menu is coming clearly. But whenever it is minimized, the menu icon is coming, not completely the menu directly. But whenever you click, then only the menu is coming. And whenever you click here, the menu is going. Understand everybody?
Okay, sir.
Observing or not?
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
And now when if you observe here, this is occupying only 75%. 75% only this text and this area is occupying. Okay, and then scroll it. So if you observe here, it is coming 2 sections per row, 2 columns per row. But whenever you maximize, it is coming 4 columns per row. And whenever you minimize, it is coming in the smartphones. They are coming only 1 column per row. And observe here in the smartphones, they are coming one by one, this image and this one. And if you observe here, whenever you scrolling, the image is not moving. It is called parallax effect. That is also I will tell. Okay, right. And then
Okay,
after,
sir.
this is coming 2 columns per row, but normally it is coming 3 columns per row. And if you observe this about section also, in the tablet they will come side by side, but in the smartphones only they will come one by one. They will come one by one. Okay, right. But in the tablets they will come this much, this way, side by side. Okay, in the tablets they will come side by side, but whenever you minimize, they will come like this. This is a team. They are coming one by one. And but whenever you maximize, they will
Side by
come
side.
3 columns. Yeah, side by side 3 columns per row. And there is a slide also there. And then after there is a menu. There is a map is there. How to add your address in the from the Google Maps into your web page. And there is a form also. Okay, this is what we are designing end of the course by using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Clear, right, everybody? What is the thing we are going to design in
Okay.
the last? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. This is what we are going to design. Okay, in the last. Right. Now coming to our introduction. What is this? HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap. Okay. So why we use this to convert to convert a image into a web page. So if you want to design a web page, then we need to use this technology is called HTML5, CSS3, and Bootstrap. Okay, everybody? Right. Now one by one we will discuss. So coming to HTML, what is HTML? Respond, everybody.
Hypertext mark.
Who is responding? Hello.
Hypertext
It is a
markup
markup language. Hypertext markup language.
So hypertext
Markup language.
markup language. So why we hypertext markup language? So why we use a language? Respond, everybody. Why we use a language?
To communicate.
Normal language.
Communicate.
Yeah, normally language. What purpose? For communication purpose. Okay. For communication purpose, we'll generally use a language. Okay. Right. And what a normal language will contain? What a language will contain? What language? Suppose what Telugu will contain? What Hindi will contain? What English will
Alpha,
contain? What
Words,
language contain?
sentences,
alphabets, words,
Below,
sentence.
alphabet.
before that alphabet. Alphabets base is first. So by grouping some alphabets, it will form a word. By
Word.
forming some words, it will form a sentence.
Sentence.
So okay, every language will contain alphabets, words. That means predefined words. Okay, and they will contain a grammar also. Every language will contain. So here also HTML is communicating with the web browser. So that's why we are getting proper web page, and it is also having its own predefined keywords. Okay, if you want to display our data as a paragraph, we need to use p tag. What is that? P tag. Okay, if you want to display your text as a heading, we need to use h1 to h2 h6 tags. Understanding? Kindly respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So like this HTML also having their own keywords. Just because of that, we are calling it as a language. Not only that, it has its own interpreters in the browser. So whatever you are writing, if you are writing in the English also, if you are writing in the France also, if you are writing the French also, Telugu also, Hindi also, computer cannot understand that. So what a computer can understand? What a computer can understand? Binary
Binary
language.
language.
Binary language.
Binary
So
code.
yeah, whatever you are writing, there should be something to convert our binary language into, sorry, to convert our language into binary language. So who will convert? Interpreters. So no need to install any interpreter manually. Whenever you install browser means automatically the interpreters will come. Okay, browser is like our human body. What is that? Browser is like our human body. What is our human body? Collection of organs and connection between them.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Okay, collection of organs and connection between them. Okay, everybody, collection of organs and connection between them. Like that, browser also contains three interpreters internally: HTML, CSS, and okay, JavaScript, and they have their own internal connection also. So that's why we will get proper output. Okay, everybody, that's why we will get proper
Yes.
output. Okay, so by using that interpreters, we'll get the proper output. So that's why we are calling it as a language. And other than that, predefined keywords, what a language will contain? Grammar. So what is the grammar? Markup is the grammar. So markup means, this is the markup means nothing. There is a specific meaning. Markup means grammar of the HTML. That means what is that? We need to write like this. What are the keyword also? Okay, this is the markup tags. Less than and greater than is the markup tags. Okay, this is called opening tag. Or this is called the starting tag. Less than slash greater than. Okay, this is class the closing, yeah, opening and closing tag, or else ending tag. So opening tag means it will contain only less than and greater than. Ending tags means less than slash greater than. This is the ending tag. So whatever the keyword related HTML, we should write in between the markup tags. What is this? Suppose I want to display a content as a paragraph. I should write like this, paragraph like this, p tag, and here also I need to write like this, p tag. Clear, everybody? In between whatever you want to write, you can write. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Srivastav, you are understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understanding.
sir. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, right. So this is markup means nothing but grammar of the HTML. Okay, whatever it may be, we should write in the less than and in between the less than and greater than, the tag names, not the content. Only the keywords, predefined keywords, we should write in the between the less than and greater than. Okay, right. Then what is this hypertext? Not only hypertext, we can call it as hyperdata also. What is this hypertext? That means we can create hyperlinks to our text also. Not only for text, we can create our images also. Okay, we can create hyperlinks for the images also. For what purpose? Suppose you are opening the flipkart.com. So can you able to purchase right here, right now, right here you are able to purchase anything here? Respond. If you click here, directly it will purchase. If you click on this image, directly it will add to your cart.
No, no, no.
No.
No, we
What
have.
happens? Yeah, it will go to the other page. What happens? It will go to the other page. Wait 1 second. So what is this? What is the thing you are seeing here? What is the thing you are seeing here? Image, right? So what is this? Now this may be a pant image also. That means a jeans pant image also, or else it may be a jeans also, or else it may be a t-shirt also, whether it may be a lady's dress also, whatever it may be, they are the data related to this particular application. So hypertext means what? We can not only providing hyperlinks, we can give structured data. That means we can provide some nice structure to our data. See there, image here it is coming. Below that only this text is coming, so that user easily can read it. And they are giving proper. They are coming with a proper structure. If one image is very big and one image is very less size, and when another image is very medium size, so is that application will look good? Respond everybody.
No, no.
No, okay.
No.
So we
No.
do proper structure. So hypertext means what? It will give proper structure to our application. It will give proper structure to your application. Okay, everybody. Right. Not
Okay.
only that, not only structure, it will provide, we can, by using HTML, we can provide hyperlinks also. Not only either it for data also, that means text also, either it may be for image also. Suppose if you click here, I'm clicking opening the new tab. So what is happening? It is going to other page. Right, everybody. So how we are navigating to other page? How we are navigating to other page? By using
Anchor tag.
anchor tag.
Anchor.
Okay, anchor tag. So whenever you click here, you are navigating to other page. Okay, but how we are navigating? We are giving anchor tag to this image. That means we are giving this page address to this image, so that whenever you click here, you are navigating to that particular page. Understanding everybody what is hyperlinks is? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Srivastav, you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
right. Okay, so you are providing the hyperlinks to your data. Suppose not only here, suppose if you click here, then also you are navigating, see there, so that we can provide hyperlinks to your text also. We can provide the hyperlinks to your images also. Whatever it may be, we can provide hyperlinks. Not only hyperlinks, we can give some nice structure to our data by using HTML. This is what hypertext markup language means. Abbreviation is very 3 words. Okay, very small, 3 words only. But if you elaborate it, you will get some clear cut knowledge. Okay, so HTML has its own interpreters in the browser,
Yes, sir.
and these interpreters also different from one browser to another browser. So that's why something will work in the Mozilla Firefox, something doesn't work in the IE. Why? Because interpreters are different. But whether it may be different also, but every browser contains 3 interpreters: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, everybody, right? And HTML have their own predefined keywords, and that keywords we must write in between this markup tags only. What is the markup tag? Less than and greater than. Less than and greater is the opening tag, and less than slash greater than is the closing tag.
Closing.
Closing
Okay.
tag.
Yes. And what is hypertext? We can provide hyperlinks to our text as well as our images also. Not only that, we can provide some nice
Structured data.
structure for our web page. For our web page also. But what type of structure we can provide? In the structure also, there will be 2 things will be there: internal structure and external structure. Suppose if you compare with our human body, what is our internal structure? What is our internal structure?
The organs.
Skeleton. Okay.
Organs.
Skeleton.
Skeleton.
Yeah. No. Skeleton. Okay. Skeleton is our internal structure of our body. So what is our external structure? Our body, our mass, okay, our muscles, okay, and our body color, and our dress also. Our dress also comes under external structure only. Clear it, everybody? External appearance. Please respond, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by using HTML, we can provide only internal structure. Only internal structure. Suppose exactly if you compare with a real world example, suppose if I am comparing with a wall, so automatic, suppose you are constructing a wall, how you will construct? First of all, we will put some bricks and cement, right? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
after
sir.
putting the bricks and cement, what happens? Directly you will paint, or else you will do plastering.
Blasting. Okay.
So what is our external
Cascading.
structure? Plastering. What is our internal structure? Pure
Plastering.
bricks and cement. No, okay. What is our internal structure? Pure bricks and cement.
Bricks
What
and
is our external structure? Yeah. What is our external
plastering.
structure? Plastering. And then after colors also. Then after colors also appearance.
Color.
Okay. So for that appearance and external structure purpose, we must use CSS3. What is that? What is that we must use?
CSS.
Yes. Okay, version is 3. Okay, HTML version is 5, and we must use CSS. For what purpose? External structure and
External.
appearance purpose. Okay, HTML is for internal structure and internal appearance. Clear, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right. Now we need to know about CSS also, introduction of CSS also. Okay, right. What is CSS? As per your knowledge, respond. What is
Cascading
CSS?
style sheets. Style sheet which provides the style.
Right. Cascading style sheet, yeah, style sheets. Okay, right. So what is a style sheet? Respond, everybody. What is a style sheet?
Which provides styles.
What is a style
For
sheet?
appearance.
Full of CSS, yeah, full of CSS properties, which is used to give proper external structure. Okay, everybody, which is used to give proper external structure. And then what about this cascading? What about this cascading? Okay, so here everybody will confuse. Okay, cascading means combination of combo means what? Combination of inheritance and overriding.
Combination.
Okay, inheritance and overriding. So inheritance and overridings are we must know about OOPS concepts also. So don't think like that. This is different. Okay, this is different. Okay, so don't compare with the OOPS concepts, inheritance and overriding. Okay, everybody. Hello. Don't compare
Yes,
with
sir.
the OOPS
Yes,
concepts
sir.
of any other language. Okay, inheritance and overriding. Okay, right. I will tell you with an example, then you will understand it. So to understand about this cascading, we must know a little bit about CSS, little bit deeper. So first of all, we must know the types of CSS. The types of CSS. We have 3 types of CSS. What is that? We have 3 types of CSS. What are those? Inline CSS. What is that? Inline
Inline.
CSS.
Inline CSS.
Who is internal CSS. 3 is external CSS. What is that? Inline CSS,
Internal. Internal.
internal CSS, and external
And
CSS.
externals.
Okay, so inline CSS means if you are writing CSS in any HTML tag, if you are writing CSS in any particular HTML tag, that comes under inline CSS. Okay, internal CSS
Okay,
means
sir.
if you are writing CSS in a HTML page by using style tag, that comes under internal CSS. Inline CSS means you will write in a particular HTML tag. Suppose here you will write this HTML tag, right? If you write here, that comes under inline CSS. Internal CSS means we need to write in the header tag, that is also by using style tag.
Style
And
tag.
external CSS means if you are writing CSS as a separate page, if you are writing CSS as a separate page, and if you are saving with the you need to save it with .css extension, that can be called as external CSS. What is that? External CSS. Okay,
Yes.
suppose, okay, right. Now what is the thing I want to do is I want to display a paragraph. Wait 1 second. I want to display here some dummy data. So that purpose I am taking here some dummy data. Wait 1 second. Please put everybody in it. This is the dummy data page. So this is dummy data, but it looks like a proper image, proper data. That's it. Okay, that is called lorem ipsum, dummy data. Okay, right. Now I have this text here. Okay, now I want to display this text like a paragraph. Then what is the thing we need to do? Directly it will print like a paragraph if I write like this. Respond, everybody.
No. No. No.
What is the thing we need to do? If you want to display your text as a paragraph, we need to use p tag. What is that? P tag, less than
P
p,
tag.
greater than. And here you are starting, and you need to tell where it should close also. So here I'm writing less than slash p. Okay, everybody. Right. Now here I'm writing external CSS. Okay, you need to assume as this is external CSS. Okay, right. Now I'm writing CSS for what tag? P tag only. So in order to write the CSS directly for the paragraph tag, we need to use a tag name as the selector. What is the tag name? P. And we need to write curly braces. If you are able to understand, it's okay. If you don't able to understand, okay, leave it. Whenever the CSS start, I will explain it very clearly. Okay, right. And now here I'm writing color. Yes, white. I'm writing here background color. Color. Yes, orange. And here I'm writing border. Border we will expect three values. One is the thickness. Suppose here I'm writing 1 px thickness. And another one is the style of the border. Suppose I want a straight line. And the third one is the color of the border. Suppose I want a black color border. Clear it, everybody? Can you respond? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So color, background color, and border. Okay. This is what external CSS. Since this is the external CSS file, we need to call in the HTML page also. I will tell you in the later classes how to call it. So if you display, if you execute in the browser, then what happens? How the text will come? In what color the text will come? Respond. In which color the text will come? White color. What is that? White color. Color means what? Yeah, text color. Okay,
The text
text
color.
color. And background color means what? This one.
Orange.
Suppose
Orange.
if you select,
The background.
yeah, suppose, yeah, if you observe here, what is the text color here? What is the background color here? The selected area.
The text color
What is the
is black
background color? What is
and background color is white.
Yeah, background color
Yes.
is blue. See here. See here. Here it is blue. Okay. See this. After selecting, what happens?
Okay, sir.
What is the background color now? Blue. And what is the
Blue.
text color? White now. Okay. What is the
White.
text color now? Selected area I'm asking. Please respond kindly. What is the text color of the selected area?
White.
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 So like that, yeah. If you execute in the browser, this text will come in the white color and background color will come in orange color. And what is the border? Here it is coming. What is the border?
Black
1 px
color.
thick. Yeah, black color and black color with a
Thickness is
straight line.
solid.
Okay, right. Now what is the thing I'm writing is in the same page I am writing the internal CSS. So don't ask me, sir, why we need to write internal CSS, or we are writing external CSS. Don't think like that. We must know how CSS will function. That's why I'm writing. Okay, right. I am writing internal CSS. And now here I am writing the internal CSS. You need to assume this is the internal CSS. I am not writing the color and I am not writing the border. Only the background color I am writing. And here I am writing the blue. Now I have two questions. Okay. So what will be my background color? Whether it may be orange or blue. Okay. Wait 1 second. And this color and border will apply or not? Because in the internal CSS I am not writing color and border. And in the external CSS I'm writing background color as orange. And in the same page I'm writing internal CSS. For the same paragraph I'm writing the background color as blue. So my question is, what will be my background color, blue or orange? Whether color and border
Blue.
will apply or not? Just guess.
Orange.
Background color is only blue, but it will be applied the
Why?
border color and
Border color, border and color also will apply. Why? Why they will apply? As per your knowledge, respond.
Because it is
So why?
external CSS.
Right. Why? Because CSS will work in the cascading style sheet. That means combination of inheritance and overriding. So what is the what it will inherit? What is the what it will override? Common properties can be override by internal CSS.
overridden.
Okay. Common properties can be overridden by the internal CSS. Okay. Remaining properties can be inherited. So what is the common property? What is the common property
Color.
here? See that this is the
Background
external
color.
faces. Yeah. So this is the color and this is the border and there is the background color. Coming to internal faces, there is only background color. So in the internal faces also there is background color. In the external faces also there is background color. So this is the common property. So as per the definition, common properties can be override by internal faces. So background color will be blue.
Orange.
Okay. Why orange?
Blue.
It will be override right by the internal faces. So what is the internal faces background color? Blue. Understanding my point? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
blue. And what about this color and border? They will apply. Why? Because they are the remaining properties. Okay, after background color, what are the remaining are left color and border? They can be inherited to the internal faces so that our color and border will be applied. Okay, clear it everybody. And now I am writing here the faces, internal inline faces. So to write the inline faces, we must use style attribute. Style equal to double quotations. And here I am writing background color. Yes, sky blue or else brown. So now tell me what will be my background color? Orange, blue or brown? What will be my background color?
Brown.
And color and yeah, color and border will apply or not? They will apply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why? Yes, these inline CSS can
Because of
override common. Yeah, 1 second, let me come. Okay,
common
so this inline, yeah, this inline CSS can override common properties in internal CSS and the external CSS. They can override by inline CSS. Okay, and remaining properties can be inherited. So if you observe here in the external CSS, there is a background color, and in the internal CSS there is a background color. In the inline CSS there is a background color. So as per the definition, inline common properties can be override. So
How the
background
brown
color
color?
will be hello.
How the brown color came? How the brown color came?
That's what I'm explaining, right, Srivastava?
Okay, okay.
That's what I'm explaining, right? This is the working culture. So these inline CSS can override common properties in the internal CSS and external CSS. That is the working culture. This is called cascading. Okay, right.
Okay.
And the remaining properties can be inherited. What are the remaining properties after the background color? Color and border. They will be inherited so that our background color will be brown and the color and border will be applied. That's it. Clear it everybody? How CSS functions? Respond everybody. So
yes.
cascading is a simple word, but if you elaborate this, if you understand exactly the meaning, then okay, then you will understand what is possible with the CSS and what is not possible also. Okay, right. This is about the this is about the CSS. Okay, everybody, right. And tomorrow I will meet and I will explain about this bootstrap introduction and I will write some basic HTML tags also I will explain. Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay.
So for everybody, I'm telling Monday to Friday only classes. Duration will be 30 to 40 days, and I don't have any pre-written material. Whatever the notes is required, I will give it in the class itself. I don't have any
Okay.
pre-written material. And if anybody got that as in the mail, if you find any material also, please ignore it. Whatever the notes is
Okay, sir.
required, definitely I will give it in the class. Okay, right. And I have display, and already I have display you what is the template we will design. Okay, right.
Okay.
So yeah, duration will be 30 to 40 days. Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll
Sir,
meet and we'll
one,
discuss. Okay.
one thing I would like to know, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, Avastava. Srivastava.
Okay, whatever the rules you have told me right now, that this will be inherited by the inline CSS, external CSS. See, these rules where will be there? Means right now you have told me, so we can't remember na, for long so long. So these rules will be mentioned anywhere in a written notes.
Yeah. Whenever the CSS started, I will explain it. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
okay, okay,
So
okay, okay,
you
sir.
must remember. Okay. You must remember for lifetime because you want to become a professional. So whatever it may be, you must remember. Just I'm telling the uh, tip. That's it. Okay. You must remember but whatever the notes is required, definitely I will give it. Okay, right. Thank you, everybody. So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay, yeah. Thank you, everybody. Thank
Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
you. Yeah, bye,
Thank you,
everybody.
sir.
Thank you. Right. So in the yesterday class, successfully have understand the introduction of the technologies. What is UX and what is UI? What is the difference between them? So what is HTML? What is CSS? All those things we have understand. Okay, right. That means we have completed only the introduction. Okay, we have completed only the introduction, and then okay, we are go switch on the camera. Right. And then now today class, what is the thing we are going to learn is what is bootstrap, and then after basic tags in the HTML. So before going to that, I will give a little bit of overview of yesterday class also, because somebody is attending today only, right? So they should not confuse. Okay, right. So what is our course? What are the course topics? What are the course technologies? So our course is HTML5, CSS3, and bootstrap 4 version. So this is UI technologies. Okay, so HTML version 5, CSS version 3, Bootstrap version 4. Okay, right. So this is comes under user interface. What is user interface? So however, okay, what is user interface means how the user will interact with our application. How the user will interact with our application. That comes under user interface. So we need to provide an interface to interact with our application. For whom? The user. We should provide an interface for the users to interact with our application. So how we will interact? By clicking on somewhere, or else by searching on somewhere, by typing something in the search box, or else by clicking on the anywhere, or else by entering some data in the forms. So like that he will interact with our application. Okay, so how we will provide that your interactivity, how we will provide that user interface? By using this HTML and CSS. Okay, clear it everybody? Kindly respond. Everybody should respond. Srija, Sunil,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Manoj,
sir.
Srivastava. Okay, right. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is about user interface. Now coming to the technologies. So yeah, UX is not included in our course. UX is a graphical part. We need to know about Photoshop. That is not included in the course, but just a little bit knowledge I'm sharing it. Okay, that means just information I'm telling. Okay, UX is different and UI is different. UX is always graphical work. UI is programming work. That means HTML and CSS programming. Okay, right. Now coming to this, what is HTML? Introduction to our technologies. What is HTML? So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so new students are only whoever attending today, they only respond. Why we use a language? Respond Ankur and Bhim Shankar.
To communicate.
What purpose? For communication purpose. Okay.
For
So what a
communicating
language? Yes. What a language contains? What a language contains? Ankur and Bhim Shankar, please
grammar,
respond.
word, sentence,
Okay, Ankur and Bhim Shankar, please respond. Not programming languages. What normal languages contains? Bhim Shankar, are you there? You are muted. Ankur, are you there? You are muted. Okay, leave it. So what a language contains? Alphabets first of all. So if you form a proper order alphabets, it will form a word. So if you form a proper words, it will form a sentence. So a language contains alphabets, words, and sentence, and it will contain a grammar. So we will use a language for communication purpose. So like that, HTML also communicating with the web browser. HTML also communicating with the web browser, and it has its own predefined keywords. For example, H1 tag to display our content as a heading, P tag to display our content like a paragraph, anchor tag to the for providing anchor links. Okay, to that means navigating from one page to another page. So these are the predefined keywords. So HTML contains predefined keywords, and it by using that keywords, it will communicating with the web browser. Not only that, HTML having its own interpreters in the browser. That means every browser contains 3 interpreters: HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, and JavaScript interpreter. Clear it, everybody? HTML interpreter, CSS interpreter, and JavaScript interpreter. And these three interpreters also different from one browser to another browser. These three interpreters also different from one browser to another browser. Clear, everybody? But whatever it may be, every browser contains three interpreters. No need to install interpreters manually. Okay, so browser is nothing but a human body. What is our human body? Collection of organs and connection between them. Collection of organs and connection between them. Like that, browser also collection of interpreters and connection between them. They have their own internal collection also. So that's why we'll get proper output. Okay, so that's why it is calling it as a language. Clear? Ankur and Bhim Shankar especially respond. You should not be
Clear,
silent.
sir. Yes.
Right, Bhim Shankar, you okay? Right. So, and it has its own keywords, and by using that keywords, it communicating with the web browser. Okay, and it has its own interpreters in the browser also. Okay, that's why it is calling as language. And every language contains what? Grammar. And programmatically, it will contain syntax. So here syntax is markup tags. What is the markup tags? This is the markup tags. Less than, greater than, less than, slash, greater than. Okay, so less than, greater than can be called as opening tag or starting tag. Less than, slash, greater than can be called as closing tag or ending tag. What is this? Less than, greater than can be called as opening tag or starting tag. Less than, slash, greater than can be called as closing tag or ending tag. So whatever the predefined keyword you want to write as per your requirements, we must write in the markup tags only. Suppose if you want to display our content like a paragraph, we must use p tag. So that p we should write in between the less than and greater than. And whenever you open a tag, definitely we should tell where you should close. So this is the closing tag. So that the browser will understand, okay, here from here onwards we should consider this section as a paragraph. So here it is closing, so that here the paragraph is ending. Like that it will understand. Clear, everybody? What is the markup tax is? Ankur, Bhim Shankar, please respond. Please respond through voice. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
right. Right. Then after, what is this hypertext? So hypertext means, suppose you want to display your data, or else suppose I'm giving notes, how you will write? In a proper order you will write, or else however you feel you will write. Please respond, everybody. However you feel you will write, or else in a proper order you will write. With a neat structure. In a proper order.
In a
So
proper
here,
order.
yeah. So here also I need to display my data, yeah, to the users. So how I should display? With a proper structure, or else however I feel I need to display. Here one image, here one image, here another image, like that.
Proper structure.
Proper structure. So hypertext means structured data. What is that? Structured data. So by using this HTML, we can provide proper structure to our data. Not only that, we can provide hyperlinks to your text and as well as image also. That means whenever you click on an image, you will navigate to any other page. How you are navigating? Because you are providing hyperlinks to the image. And whenever you click on a text bar, whenever you click on some text, you will navigate to some other page. How you are navigating? The program is providing hyperlinks to that text. So hypertext means we can provide hyperlinks to our data, and we can provide structure to our data also. Clear it, everybody? We can provide structure to our data. Clear it, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So what type of structure? In structure also we have two types of structures: internal structure and external structure. So by using HTML, we can provide internal structure only. We can provide internal structure only. So to provide the external structure, we need to use CSS. Suppose if you compare this internal structure with our real world example called a wall. So what is a wall? Combination of bricks and cement, right? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, combination of, how you will construct a wall? By using bricks and cement. So if you want to paint for that wall, directly you will paint, or else first of all you will do plastering.
Flashing.
So what is our external structure? Plastering. Then after color. Okay, understanding right? So how we are plastering depends upon what we are plastering based on the internal structure, bricks and cement. Like that. Okay. First of all, we need to give you some internal structure. Depends upon that, we need to give some external structure. So to give internal structure, we need to use HTML. To give external structure, we need to use CSS. They both are related only. They both are related only. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
What about Ankur and Bhimshankar?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Everything is clear.
Okay, right. Now, what about this HTML? This is about HTML, okay? Hypertext markup language. So it has its own predefined keywords. That keywords we must write in the markup tags. Okay, by using this, it will communicate with your browser, and we can provide hyperlinks to our data, and we can provide proper structure to our data also. Okay, but the internal structure, to provide a external structure, we need to use CSS. Then what is CSS? So CSS stands for cascading style sheets. So what is a style sheet? A style sheet is nothing but full of CSS properties to give external structure to our application. To give external structure to our application. But what is cascading? What is cascading? Cascading is nothing but combination of inheritance and overriding. So by seeing this terminology called inheritance and overriding, don't get confused, don't get panic. Again, I need to learn OOPS concepts. Don't think like that. Okay, right? Don't think like that. Okay, this is not related to OOPS concepts. Okay, right? But combination of inheritance and overriding. So if you want to understand this line clearly, we need to know little bit about CSS also. Okay, little bit deep knowledge. Okay, what is that? We need to know types of CSS. So we have three types of CSS. What are those? Inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Inline CSS means if you write CSS in any particular HTML tag, if you write CSS in any particular HTML tag, that can be called as inline CSS. Internal CSS means if you write CSS in a style tag, in the head tag, okay, if you write CSS in the a head tag by using style tag, that can be called as internal CSS. That means you will write CSS in the same page but in the head section. External CSS means we need to write CSS in a separate page and we need to give the extension as .css. Clear it, everybody? Can you respond?
Yes,
What
sir.
is inline and internal and external structure? CSS, sorry. Ankur and Bhimshankar.
Explain, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Could you please explain internal CSS once again?
Internal CSS means we should write CSS in the same page but in the head tag. Okay, Bhimshankar. So whenever I am implementing practically, then you will understand it clearly. Okay, whenever I am
Okay.
implementing practically, then you will understand it very clearly. Okay, right.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Now this working culture, this is the working culture. Okay, combination of inheritance and overriding is working culture. Cascading is the working culture. So how they will work, that is also important. So now I have this dummy data. I have this dummy data from here to here, and I want to display as paragraph. So if you want to display our data as a paragraph, what is the tag we need to use? Previously I told also. What is the tag we need to use?
/p. Tag p.
P tag. Okay, P tag. But we must write in the less than, in between the less than and the greater than. And here wherever it is the paragraph is ending, there we must close it. Right. Now think so. Wait 1 second. Right. Now I am writing here CSS. You need to assume this as the external CSS. Of course, this is not external CSS, but you need to imagine like that. So I want to write CSS for the paragraph. I want to write CSS directly for the paragraph. So that's why I'm writing here the selected name as P. And here I'm writing the curly braces. So this is the syntax to write CSS. First of all, the selector name. Then after, we need to write the curly braces. In between, we need to write the CSS. And here I'm writing color. This is for text color. What is the color? White. And background color. So this is for the background color of the text. And this is the border. Border for the text. So I want border will expect three things. One is the thickness, and another one is the style. Third one is the color. So thickness is 1px, style is solid, that means straight line, and color is the black color. Clear it, everybody? Right. Now I am applying this
Yes, sir.
external CSS on this paragraph. Now what is the output I will get? Can you imagine? Can you guess? What is the output I will get?
White text, orange background, and the border would be black with 1
Yes,
point.
perfect. Yes, 1 pix. Okay, 1 pixel. Okay, right. Perfect answer, Bhimshek. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate your answer. Okay, right. Now this is the output I will get. Now in the same page I am writing internal CSS also. So don't ask me, sir, why we need to write external CSS and internal CSS in the same page. That is not my intention. What is my intention is difference between internal CSS and external CSS, how they will work. Not difference, how they will work. So that's why I'm writing. So you need to assume this is the internal CSS. And what is the thing I'm writing here? I'm writing here only the background color. What is this?
Background color.
Background. Okay, background color. What is this? Blue color. Okay, right. Now here I'm writing external CSS, but it contains three properties: color, background color, and border. But internal CSS is containing only one property called background color. Now I have two questions. That is also for new students. What will be my background color? Whether it may be orange or blue. And my second question is, will this color and border will apply or not? So just guess and tell me the answer.
Background color is blue, sir. And
Why?
border because inline
Because of
CSS is more
overriding and
important.
inheritance concept.
Okay, right. So this is what I told here. Okay, so what is the, so for that purpose, if you want to understand it, we must understand the working culture of the inline CSS and internal CSS and external CSS. Okay, so internal CSS can override, internal CSS can override common properties in external CSS, and it can inherit remaining properties from the external CSS. So here this is the internal CSS and this is the external CSS. And what is the common property here? Color, background color, or border? What is the common property? Internal and external. What is the common property here?
Background color.
Background color.
Background color.
Background color.
So what it will do? Internal CSS, it will override the external CSS, so that my background color will be blue. My background color will be blue. Okay. So and what about the remaining properties? Color and border, they will be inherited. What is that? They will be inherited. So that color and border also will be applied, but background color will be blue only. Clear it, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then after I'm here, I'm writing inline CSS. Inline CSS means in a proper HTML tag we need to write. So this is the HTML tag. Here I'm writing. I'm writing here background color as sky blue. Now what will be my background color? Orange, blue, or sky blue?
Sky blue.
Sky blue color only. Okay, why? Because inline CSS can override common properties in internal CSS and the external CSS. Okay, it can override common properties in the internal CSS and the external CSS, and it can inherit remaining properties from the external CSS and the internal CSS. So common properties can be overridden, remaining properties can be inherited. That's why I'm writing here combination of inheritance and overriding. That's it. Very simple. Clear, everybody? Now respond. Srivastava, Ankur,
Yes, sir.
Bhim Shankar,
Yes, sir.
Aparna. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Okay, this
Hello,
is about
hello.
the, yeah, tell me, who is this?
I want to know. I am Sri Srivastava. I want to know one thing. that in internal CSS, the ground color is blue, and in external CSS, the ground color is orange. So here
Yes.
internal CSS blue color is overriding the orange color, right? Blue color
Yeah.
will be the result, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Right. Right, Srivastava.
Why can't external CSS can't override to the internal CSS?
See, you should not question the working culture, Srivastava. Okay. See, I'm not
Okay.
pointing out. Okay, you should not question the working culture. That is the working culture. That's how they have developed. Okay, that is the working
Okay.
culture. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Right. Right. So, right. Now, right. Now, what is this? So, this is about CSS. Okay. Introduction of CSS. So, by using CSS, what we can provide? Respond everybody. By using CSS, what we can provide? External structure. So HTML and CSS both are related. They are not separate things. Okay. So like our human body and skeleton. So our human body is connected to our skeleton. If I move my skeleton, if my skeleton moves, I also will move. After my skeleton move, I don't move after 1 week. So like that, HTML and CSS also they are combination. Okay, right. So that's about this. And coming to this bootstrap. So by using this HTML and CSS, I can design a web page. But if I want to display that web page in a smartphone, suppose I have a website. So nowadays, everybody using smartphones for technology purpose. Previously, we only use for technology purpose, internet surfing, internet browsing purpose. What we did, only computer only we did. But from last 10 years onwards, especially last 5 years onwards, we are using smartphones for everything, for online purchasing also, for online transactions also, everything. Okay, suppose I have a website. Okay, but that is not very big, but mobile users also uh, should see my website in the browser, in the smartphones, my website also in the smartphones. Then what happens? I made a website, depends upon the computer, but same website he is opening the smartphone. Then what happens? The designing will be messy. Understanding, right? The designing will be very messy. Okay, that means he cannot understand anything. So give me 1 minute. Somebody, some street vendor came in my street. Please give me 1 minute. Let him go. Right. So if you have open a website which is made, depends of made for computer, and if the same website if you made in your if you same website if you open your smartphone, it will be very messy for the user. So that means what is the thing I need to do? So I need to design a website which will automatically adjust its size, depends upon the size of the device. That can be called as responsive web designing. That purpose we must use Bootstrap 4. Okay, so Bootstrap version 4. So what purpose will use Bootstrap?
Responsive web designing.
Bootstrap. Okay, what purpose? For responsive designing. Responsive
I can't, sir, I can't
design.
make a responsive website using only CSS.
Sorry,
I can't make a responsive website using only CSS.
only CSS. If you want to do it, will be very complicated. But here they are providing Bootstrap so that it will be very easy also. Okay, hello,
Mhm. Okay, okay.
hello. Okay, who is asking? Ankur or Abhim Shankar? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Responsive web designing. Okay, responsive web designing purpose will use Bootstrap. So then, what is responsive web designing? What is responsive web design? So what is this? Depends upon the browser's size and depends upon the device size. our web page alignment should adjust automatically. This type of designing called as web designing. Okay, depends upon the browser size and depends upon the device size. Our web page alignment should adjust automatically. This can be called as responsive web designing. Okay, right. For example, if you observe here, I am opening here Andhra University. See here, you are able to observe the website, right? Now what I'm doing, I'm reducing the size of the browser. See it automatically it is aligned its adjustment or not. Respond everybody. Alignment has changed or not.
Yes, sir.
See here, please respond everyone. I want everyone's response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right, observe here. Okay, and if you observe here, whenever you maximize completely, complete menu you are able to see. But whenever you minimize it, we are saying here a menu. Then only it is, whenever you click, then only it is coming. Whenever you click, then only it is going. And if you observe here, it is how it is coming. But
Okay.
whenever you maximize 3 columns per row, see hills. This is very small image, and this is coming here, and that means 3 columns per row it is coming. But whenever you minimize it, only 1 column, the image is getting very bigger, and then only it is coming here,
Yes, sir.
and then it is coming like this. So automatically it is adjusting its structure or not, alignment or not. Automatically it is adjusting its alignment or not. Respond everybody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why this is called as a responsive web page. Okay, so this is the advantage of the bootstrap. Clear it everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for this purpose we need to use bootstrap. So what is bootstrap? A CSS framework. A CSS framework.
Free.
Okay, that is used to optimize the programmer's time, and by using that we can design our web page as a responsive web page. That's it. Okay, right. Yeah, this is about the introduction of the technologies. Up to here it is cleared from the starting onwards to now. Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Right. So yeah, for the new students purpose I'm telling, Monday to Friday only classes, Saturday Sunday holiday, and I don't have any pre-written material. Whatever the notes is required, I will give it in the class itself. Okay, and the duration will be 30 to 40 days. And what is the, okay, right, and in the end of the course we will design a page, web page, responsive web page, and that is this. Wait one second. This is the web page we will design in the last. Okay everybody, see here, if you observe here, whenever you scrolling down, this image is not moving, only the entire web page is moving. Okay, right, and there is a slider also, and there is a Google map. We can integrate our office address in our web page also, and there is a contact us form also. Okay, right, and this is how it is coming. Whenever you minimize it, see there, menu icon is coming, then only menu is coming, and whenever you click on the icon, it is going. Whenever you click here, it is coming. Whenever you click here, it is going. And see here, it is optimizing its, it is adjusting its alignment also. Now observe here the scales. Previously 4 columns per row, but now only 2 columns. And still if you reduce the size, only 1 column per row. And if you observe here in this about section, first of all image is coming, then only this section is coming. And if you ever increase the size, then they are coming side by side. And now they are coming here 3 columns per row. But whenever you reduce the size, they will come 2 columns per row. And this stream is coming 1 column per row. Very good, it is coming. And then after this slide is coming like this, and this one also first of all it is coming the form, and then only it is coming the map. That's it. This is a web page we will design in the last. Clear it, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that's it. Right. Now I am going to tell you about the basic tags in the HTML. I'm going to tell you about the basic tags in the HTML. Okay, right. So first of all, before going to that basic tags, we need to have some interface for our practicing purpose also. So most of the what the freshers will do, they will practice everything and they will save everything in the desktop only. So saving everything in the desktop, that is a very bad practice. Understanding my point? So don't save anything directly in the desktop. That is a very bad practice. Then how can I do by practice? So if you have only C drive, if you have only C drive, so go open your C drive and go to your users and go to your username and there create a new folder with your name. Suppose Ankur underscore HTML underscore practice, or else Beam Shankar underscore HTML underscore practice, like that. If you other than C drive, if you have any other drives, so just go to the drive. Suppose in my case that is G drive. Okay. So in the G drive I will teach many technologies. So that's why I have created a separate folder for UI technologies, UI classes. Previously I taught, okay, I taught offline classes and online classes. So that purpose I have created a particular folder for online classes purpose, online classes. And in the online classes I will create a separate folder for our class purpose. So in your case, directly go to the G drive, create a folder with the name Ankur underscore HTML underscore practice. Okay, or else Srivastava underscore HTML underscore practice. Like that you need to create. So here I'm creating a folder in the online classes. Now click there. I'm writing here. Ramesh underscore, please put everybody mute. HTML underscore John. Sorry. Yeah. HTML underscore John. John means January. Underscore class. Underscore 2022 underscore 530. That's it. Clear it, everybody? Like this, you need to create a folder with your name underscore HTML underscore practice. What is our root for? What is our application name? Respond. What is our folder related to our application, our class? Respond. What is the
Ramesh
folder
HTML.
related to our class? Ramesh HTML Jan class 2022 530.
530.
Okay, right. Now open this. There is nothing. And after this folder, what is the things we need to have? So we need to have two softwares. One is the IDG to write the code. So here I'm preferring Notepad++. So of course, if you want, you can use Visual Studio Code also. But as I suggest Notepad++. Why? Because whenever you went to any interview as a HTML programmer, they will provide only the basic IDEs like Notepad or Notepad++ only. They don't provide any other IDEs also. So in that case, you should practice everything. That means the tag name, tag spelling, everything you should be perfect. So that's why I suggest you to practice in the Notepad++ until you get more perfect. Okay, that is one thing. And what is the second thing? You need to have a browser. What is this? You need to have a browser, any famous browser. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer. Any one of the famous browsers you should have. Clear everybody? Can you respond?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is second thing. And then after, what other thing we need to do? We need to open the IDE and we need to take a new page. And here we need to write the basic tags. So what is the basic tags? This is it. First line should be version of the HTML. So if you write like this, immediately browser will understand this is the HTML version 5. No need to write here 5 or something like this, any number. Just because of you are writing this tag, automatically it will understand it as a HTML 5 version. Clear everyone? Hello?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then after, we must write HTML tag. See, don't compare this and confuse. Don't do that yet. This is for version of the HTML. And this is the root element for our web page. Root element for our web page. And this HTML also follow our human body structure. First of all, head.
Head.
Okay. And then only body. Open the tag and immediately close it. Then only you should write anything. That is a good practice. Open the tag and immediately close it. So first head and then after body. So in the head tag, what we can do? We can provide basic information related to our web page. And in the body tag, what we can do? We can design our web page. So in order to design a web page, we need to write so much HTML code. That HTML code we must write in the body tag. So this is the page designing section. Body tag is the page designing section. And head tag is the page information section. Page information section. So in the head tag, we can provide the title for our web page. That is used to recognize our web page among all other applications also. Okay, right. And we can write internal CSS or we can write internal JavaScript also in the head tag. Or else we can call external CSS, we can call external CSS and external JavaScript files also in the head tag. Okay, but body tag mainly we will focus on the designing section only. Okay, right. Now for example, I'm writing here title, TITLE. So if you don't write anything, what happens? We'll say first of all. Okay, right now first save it. And where we need to save? To save, we need to press here Control S. So in order to save, go to your this PC and go to your desired location. So mine is G drive. Then after UI classes. Then after online classes. Then after Ramesh HTML Jan class 2022 530. And right there, basic underscore HTML underscore tags underscore example HTML. Okay, so we must write the extension as HTML only. We must give the extension as .html. Then only it will treat it as a web page. See there, automatically it is coming with a browser symbol, default browser symbol. So that whenever you double click here, automatically it will open in the browser. Okay, so what you are seeing in the this one, what you are seeing in the title area, title bar, the address only. But if you observe here, what we are seeing, Andhra University. By seeing this, what we can understand, this is the Google, this is the Andhra University related search engine, search results. By seeing this, what we can understand, this is the basic HTML. But by seeing this, what we can understand, nothing. So, but if you write here in the title tag, see there, now right there, basic HTML tags. Save it. Come here and refresh. See there, coming on at basic HTML tags. Respond everybody. So whatever you are writing in the title tag, that will display in the title bar. Okay, everybody, respond please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this title is used to recognize our web page among all other applications also. So by seeing this, Okay, this is my HTML class, you will understand. By seeing this, okay, this is the Andhra University. By seeing this, this is the Google. Like that, you will understand it. Okay, everybody. Okay, right. This is the basic HTML code. This is the basic HTML code. Okay, everyone. Right. So tomorrow class, I will discuss about more other HTML tags also. Okay, everybody. Right. That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we will discuss about other things. That is basic tags in the HTML. Okay. Right. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Thank
Hi everyone.
you. Yes. Yes. So in the yesterday class, we have discussed about basic tags in the HTML. So this is version of the HTML. Okay, if you write this line, automatically browser will understand it as a HTML5 version. So this HTML tag is the root element for our web page. Then it contains two things. Okay, this HTML also follows human body structure. Okay, so first of all head, then only body. So in the head, we need to write information about our web page. In the body tag, we need to write code to design our web page. Okay, right. So now whatever you write in this title tag, that will display in the title bar. So this is the title bar, this is the URL bar. So whatever you are writing in the title, that will display in the title bar. Okay, everybody, right. Now what is the thing I want to do is, I want to write some HTML tags. I want to write some HTML tags. Okay, right. For example, I want to write something in the browser. So right there, I am Ramesh. Save it. Come here and refresh the browser. See, HTML no need to re-execute. Just come to the browser and refresh. Now respond everybody. Where you are saying I am Ramesh in the web page or not? Respond everybody. Right. Manoj, are you listening any other class also? Maybe. Right. So yeah. Right. So we are getting here. I am Ramesh. So how it is printing? It is printing like a normal text. It is printing like a normal text. Okay, so there is no tags also we are not using. Okay, right. Now what is the thing I want to do is, I want to highlight this Ramesh. I want to highlight this Ramesh. How? By displaying in bold letters. By displaying in bold letters. Okay, thick font. Bold means thick font. Okay, right. So now here I am writing that purpose. I am Ramesh. But how I am writing? Strong. 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 Strong is used to display our letters in the bold. Strong. Right. Save it. Now execute in the browser. Now respond everybody how this Ramesh is coming. Strong is normally printing, or else this Ramesh is printing in bold letters. Respond everybody.
Normally,
So this
Normal.
yeah. So strong also printing like a normal text. Now strong also printing like a normal text. So why this is happening? Because browser is not understanding this strong. Strong. What is this strong is? It is treating it as a normal text only. So what is the rule I told in the in starting classes? Whatever the predefined keyword related to HTML, we must write. Whatever the predefined keyword related to HTML, we must write in the markup tags. What are the markup tags? Less than and greater than. So in between that only we need to write. So this is the less than and this is the greater than. And we must tell where that should end. So now right there. Let's save it. Now refresh. Right now what we are getting here? Respond everyone. What we are getting here? How we are getting Ramesh? Strong is printing or else it is printing like a bold letters?
Our SLA, when SLA, because SLA was brought
strong,
for this. What we are
bolded
doing,
letter.
and we are manually checking and go there and checking the complaint.
Yeah, Manoj, you respond through chat, okay? Because I'm getting some noise from your side. So other persons can respond through voice. Okay, how it is printing, Ramesh? Response Srivastava, Srija, and Aparna.
All letters,
It's a
sir.
bold letters.
Bold letters.
Bold letters. Yeah. So whenever you write in the angle, okay, this angle brackets, that means markup tags, then only it will understand it as a HTML tag, or else it will read it as a normal text, though the strong is belongs to HTML, but automatically doesn't understand. Okay, whenever you write here in the in between the markup tags, then only it will understand, and we must tell where it should start and we must tell where it should end also. Okay, right. So now if you observe here, where this Ramesh is coming, side by side to the I am Ramesh, or else after I am Ramesh is coming, where this Ramesh is coming, side to the just side by to the I am, or else below this line it is coming. That's one. How it is coming?
Side by side.
Side by side. So in
Side by side.
HTML we have, yeah, right, perfect. So in HTML we have two types of elements, inline elements and block elements. Remember, inline elements and block elements. So strong is then inline element, so that it will come automatically side by side. They will come automatically side by side. Block element scheme means they will come automatically one by one. They will come automatically one by one. Remember this point. Okay, inline elements will align automatically side by side. Block elements will align one by one. And how much content is displaying the bold letters, including this I am, it is coming. Wait one second. I will change this to my name is. So which part is coming as Ramesh? Which part is coming as bold? Only Ramesh is coming bold, or else including my name is coming in bold? That's what?
Only
Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Only Ramesh. So inline elements will apply up to the content only. Inline elements always will follow the content only. It doesn't follow any width and height. Okay, that is also one point. Okay, of course we'll practically also will see, but what is the thing you need to understand is inline elements automatically will align side by side. Okay, right. If you want to make a one by if you want to display inline elements one by one, then we need to use br tag. Okay, then we need to use br tag. Okay, right. Now observe here, this is coming in like this. So now what is the thing I want to do is yeah, tell me Srivastava.
Sir, here strong is an inline element or Ramesh is inline element for which you are telling
No,
inline element.
see Srivastava, strong is the HTML tag, right? That is the inline element. Ramesh is the content only. See here, Ramesh is
Yes,
the
yes,
content.
yes.
You must focus on this markup tags. Okay, right. So okay, right, this is about this. So now I want to display this my name is Ramesh. After this I am Ramesh, that means below I am Ramesh it should come. So what is the thing I need to you do? I need to use br tag. So right there, less than br greater. This is the self-ending tag. Br is the self-ending tag. Self-ending tags means we cannot write anything in between them, just that is a tag, that's it. But if you observe here, there is a strong tag opening there, strong tag closing is there. Why? Because in between we can write something, but br tag in between not no need to write anything. So that's why actually in the HTML4 version we should write like this, slash greater than for the self-ending tags. But in HTML5 for self-ending tags, no need to write slash also, like this only. So that what happens, it will this my name is Ramesh will come in the next line like this. Now you understand what is the advantage of br tag is? Can you recommend everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just to make the just it will make a line, it will break the line, that's it. It will break the line, that's it. Yeah, Manoj, you want to ask anything? Okay, yes sir. Okay, right, no, right. So this is my name is Ramesh. Yeah, right, my name is Ramesh. Okay, this is about strong tag. So this is somehow it is highlighting, but now I want to highlight in another way. How? I don't want to highlight with bold letters, but in italic style I want to display. So that purpose, what is the thing I need to do? Suppose I'm writing here, I am from Vinukonda. I am from Vinukonda. Okay, so I want to highlight this Vinukonda. How? By displaying in italic letters. How can I display anything in italic letter? By writing here I tag. Open the I tag, and after this end the I tag. See there, how is Vinconda is coming in italic style? It is coming or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
So this text
sir.
also coming to the side by side to the my name is Ramesh, right? Why this I tag also belongs to inline elements, and automatically content also will come side by side only. So that's why you are getting here side by side. In order to make that into another line, we must use br tag right there, less than br, greater than. That's it. Come here and refresh. Okay, I am from Winconda. That's it. Clear it, everybody? Hello.
Yes,
So
sir.
I tag
Yes.
is used, yeah. So I tag is used to display our text in italic style. I tag is used to display our text in italic style. Okay, right. I tag. Right. Now here, what is the thing I want to do is, again I am writing. Okay. Right. Here I'm what I'm doing is I have 11 plus years of experience as a developer. I have 11 plus years of experience as a developer. Okay, right. Now come here and refresh. How it is coming? I have how this text is coming side by side to the Winconda, right? Respond
Yes, sir.
side by side. Okay. So then what is the thing you need to do? If you want to make, you need to use br tag. Okay, that is one thing. Now what is the thing I want to do is I want to highlight this 11 plus years of experience, or else I want to highlight this 11 plus years of 11 plus years. I want to highlight, but not with bold letters, not with italic letters. Okay, with a yellow color background I want to give. Okay, I want to highlight. That means I want to give the user uh, I want to give the experience as highlighted experience. Suppose somebody have some good habit. What they will do whenever they are reading a book, they don't read with empty hands. They will sit with a highlighter pen. So especially lawyers also, politicians also, whenever they are making a speech, so then what they will do, whenever they are reading any speech, if there is any important point, what they will do, they will highlight with highlighter pen, right, everybody? So I want to give the same experience for the user. So then in that case, what is the thing I need to do? So you need to use mark tag. What is that? Mark tag. So right there, where what is the content I want to highlight? 11 plus years. So before 11, right there, less than mark. After here, right there, less than mark. Save it. Refresh. See there, everybody. You are getting here highlighter experience or not? That's one. Yellow
Yes.
color
Yes,
background.
yes, sir.
So for mark, okay. So for mark tag, a default color, it will. If you use mark tag, automatically background color will come up to the content, and that color, that background color also automatically yellow. Okay, that color also by default yellow color. Clear it, everyone. Kindly respond. If you want to change this, then we need to write CSS. You
Yes.
understand about this mark tag? Kindly respond, everybody. I want everyone's response.
Sir, only yellow color will come or another color also will come?
Yeah, we need to write a CSS for that. If you want to write say another color, we need to write CSS. But by default, yellow color will come. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aparna? Hello? Yeah,
Okay, thank you, sir.
right. Yeah.
The
Okay,
default
this is
color is
about
yellow
mark.
only.
So mark. Default color is yellow. Yes. Suresh. Okay, default color is yellow. Here for mark tag, not for all the colors, not for all the tags. For mark tag, what you need to remember is mark tag. Okay.
Okay.
See here, I'm writing here mark tag, right? So that purpose default color is yellow color. Okay, right. Now you use here br tag so that it will come in next line. Clear it, everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now then after, what is the thing you need to do is, okay, right. So now what I want to do is, I want to highlight a text, but not with bold letters, not with italic letters, not with highlighter experience. I want an underline. I want an underline. Okay. So then what is the thing I need to do? So suppose here, Vinukonda located in Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. Come here and refresh. Automatically it is coming in this same line. So use here BR tag. Coming right. Vinikonda located in Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. Now what is the thing I want to do is I want to highlight the Vinikonda, I want to highlight the Guntur, I want to highlight the Andhra Pradesh, but not with bold letters, italic letters, or else highlighter experience by underlining it. So if you want to underline any content, okay, in the by using HTML tags, by using HTML tags, okay, that is important. We need to use INS tag. What is that? INS tag. So right there, less than INS, INS. Close it and right there, INS. After Guntur, right there, INS. Here also Andhra Pradesh. Refresh everybody seeing there. We are getting underline or not by using HTML. Others.
Yes.
Hello. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Understanding, Sriva. Yeah. Srivastava, understanding.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. Right. So if you want to provide underline for any text, okay, we need to use INS tag. We need to use INS tag. Okay. Right. So now here, what is the thing I want to do is, suppose whenever you see any advertisement or something like that, they will write like this: price 100. No, they will write 50. Okay, so I want to correct the user. Price is not 100, only 50. But I don't want to write completely. Price is not 100, only 50. I don't want to write completely. I will write price 100, and I want to strike, and then I will write 50. Okay, so that type of experience I want. Then in that case, what is the thing you need to do? Okay, suppose see there, I'm ready here. Price 100, 50. So it is also coming in the same line. So use here BR tag after completing. So their price 150. So everybody will confuse, right? What is 100 and what is 50 is? Respond everybody. Why he is displaying two prices per single product? Okay. So that is not the thing I want. I want to educate user, not 100, only 50. In that case, what is the thing I need to do? So right there, strike tag or DEL tag. Strike. From here, refresh. Now see there, it is strike down at 100. So by saying this, what is the user experience you will get? What is the experience you will get? Price is not 100, only 50. Okay.
Yes.
The same experience you are getting or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So price is not 100, only 50. So what is the things we have discussed about? We have discussed about BR tag also. We have discussed about strong tag also. We have discussed about I tag also, mark tag, INS tag, and strike tag also. We have discussed it. Okay, everybody. Right. Now, what the thing you need to do is, are you practicing in your computer, or else do one thing? Okay, I will give you 10 minutes time. Create an folder, and there create a basic HTML tags and save it and execute and tell me, because this is the basic things, right? So how to save your file, okay, where to save and how to execute, this is very important. So try to do it the same example in your computer. If you are facing any issue, I will solve it so that you will get perfect. So tomorrow onwards, it will be very clear for you also, how to write, how to execute, all those things. Okay, everyone, you understand what I'm telling? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, yeah. Try to do it right now. Same thing, I'm giving you 10 minutes time. Same thing, you need to take clear, you need to take a folder. There you need to take a HTML file. In the HTML file, how many HTML code you remember, write it, and if you made any mistakes, I will solve it. Okay, Right, try to do it. I'm not displaying this. Yeah, try to do it because it is very important. Srivastava, you understand, right? And Gopal, Aparna. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I think 5 minutes completed, only 5 minutes left. Yeah, good, Srija. We'll see another 2 minutes. Okay, then after I will see your computer. Okay, right. So Srija already completed. So another still we have 4 minutes. So try to do it. See if you get any errors also, it's okay. If you don't get output also, it's okay. But definitely share your screen. Okay. I don't scold or else I don't insult anybody. Just I want to make you perfect, at least in the basic things. How to write HTML code and how to execute, at least you should know. Okay. That's why I'm telling this. Srivastava, are you implementing? Aparna, are you implementing? Manoj? Hello? Hello? Are you getting my voice? Hello? Are you getting my voice or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you implementing Srivastava?
Yes, I'm getting your voice.
No, no. Yeah, it's okay, Wasim. It's okay. It's okay. Not a problem. Yeah, hi. Are you implementing Srivastava? No, Wasim, it is not for you. Who is attending from to yesterday? That for themselves. Okay. So you can ignore. I will tell. Okay. Right. Srivastava, are you implementing? Aparna, Manoj.
Actually, I don't have a laptop right now, so I will do it later today. By today evening, I will do it.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So if possible, all people attend through computer. If you have computer, please attend through computer. Everybody. Okay. Right. Yeah. So Aparna, you are you attending through mobile or else
Mobile, sir. Tomorrow I will do, sir, in laptop.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. You are saying
When we
something.
will get when we will get recording session of these last two class which previously we have been going through. When we'll get the recordings in a drive link.
Yeah, Saturday morning you will get it. Saturday morning. Srivastava, okay. Saturday
Saturday
morning you will
morning.
get it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I'm making Srija as presenter and we'll see how she. Okay. Srija, you are also coming through mobile right now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no, not Srija. Okay, okay,
Sir, I connected through mobile, but I'm doing it in laptop. In laptop, this app is not opening for me.
okay, okay. So right, right. It's fine. Okay. Leave it, Srija. Okay. Right. Good work. Right. So yeah. Right. I'm going to continue the class. Right. So what is the things we have discussed about strong tag? So strong tag will display our content in bold letters. Strong tag display our content in bold letters. I tag will display our content in italic letters. Okay, like curvy italic structure we will get. Mark tag will display our text with background color yellow. With the background color yellow. Okay, and ins tag is used to display our text with underline. And strike tag is used to display our text with a strike. Okay, right. Now what the thing I want to do is right there, click here. See, before that I want to tell one point. See, whatever you are learning, that is not your knowledge. Whatever you are analyzing, whatever you are implementing, that is only your knowledge. Remember this. Okay, so just watching the video, just observing the class, you don't get anything. Of course, you remember 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, maximum 1 month, but after that also you will forget. So whatever you are analyzing and whatever you are implementing, that only will remember for your lifetime. Okay, so please practice everything, how much you remember also. Okay, right. Yeah, now I'm reading here, click here. Right, refresh. I am clicking here. Yeah, am I navigating to any other page? Respond everybody. Am I navigating to any other page?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, we are navigating to any other page. Okay, we are not navigating to any other page. So here my intention is I want to navigate to any other page. Okay, Here my intention is I want to navigate to any other page, but whenever I click here, I am not navigating to any other page. Okay, right. Why? Because if we want to use anchor tag, sorry, if we want to navigate from one page to another page, we must use anchor tag. What is that? Anchor tag. Now anchor tag means only a, less than a, greater than. Go to the end, write the less than slash a, greater than. Save it. Come here and refresh. Now see that, click here. Am I navigating? Respond everybody.
No, sir.
Am I we are navigating?
So
No.
not
Why? Because anchor tag by default it doesn't have any functionality. It is also depends upon attribute, href attribute. Okay, it is also depends upon href attribute. Okay, right. So href means hyperlink reference. Right there, href equal to double quotations. Okay, reference we should write in the single quotations or double quotations, but prefer here double quotations. Okay, that is not a mandatory, but write in the double quotations. Okay, right. Now how to, what is the thing we need to write? We need to write the address. Then whenever we want to write the address, most of the freshers will confuse how to write the address. So what they will do, they will simply go to this their computer, my computer. They will copy this entire path and they will paste it here. So that is very wrong perspective. That is not the correct way. Remember this. That is not the correct way. So first of all, you should have your application directory. You should have a folder for your practice also, for your application also. If you become a web developer or else after some time. So if any project came to you, first of all, you need to create a folder for your project. So like that, here what is our project? Here what is our main class? Online classes, Ramesh, HTML, John class 2020 to 530. This is our main folder. So what is the thing you need to do? Don't copy this entire path. In your root directory, what is our root directory related to our project or else what is our class? This is our root directory. What is that? Ramesh HTML John class 2020 to 530. There everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ramesh
yes, sir.
HTML John class. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is our root directory. Yeah. In your root directory where it is, that is the path you need to write. In your root directory where it is, that is the path you need to write. So other than this file, we don't have anything. For example, think we have another file also. What is that file name? Sample.html. So if it is that is available directly here, wait one second. I will tell you. Suppose see there, refresh. See there, now underline is coming or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Underline is coming or not?
Yes.
Now click there. Are you navigating to sample.html or not? Are you
Yes,
navigating
sir.
to sample? Actually,
Yes,
we
sir.
are
No.
navigating.
No.
No, we are no, Srija, we are navigating to sample.html. But since the file is not, wait one second. Since the file is not there, Srija, put yourself in this. I'm getting some noise. Srija, yeah. Since this file is not available in your root directory, since this file is not available in the root directory, it is displaying as file not found. Okay, but actually it is navigating. For example, if we have sample.html, see there? Now it is available or not sample.html? Respond everybody. Now the sample.html is available or not? Where it is
Yes.
available? Where it is available? Directly in the root directory. Directly in the root directory. Okay, not in any separate folder. Okay, right. Now what is the thing you need to do? Just come here and refresh. Refresh. See they're coming or not? Wait one second. You will get confused here. I will remove this entire thing. Simple. I will write here. H1 tag. H1 tag is used to display your content like a heading. So write the less than H1 greater than. So this is sample page. Refresh. Now respond everybody. We are getting or not? This is sample
Yes.
page.
Yes, sir.
So now go back, refresh. basic tags HTML example. Now click here. So here we are getting. This is sample page. That's it. Now you understand everyone how to write the path, all those things.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
So,
Srivastava,
sir,
you- yeah.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
please, make me understand again this HREF tag, anchor tag. Please tell me again.
See Srivastava, in the HREF, whatever the file you want to navigate, that address we need to write. Whenever you are writing the address, you should focus in your root directory only. In your root directory where it is. Okay. For example, see there, I am cutting this sample.html here. Sorry, I am closing it there, and I am cutting the sample.html here, and I am creating a separate folder. What is this? Dummy1, and again dummy2. Again here I am creating a folder called dummy2, and here I am writing sample.html. Okay, right. Now come here and go back. Now refresh. Now click here. Are you navigating to sample.html right now, Srivastava? Are you navigating now
No, sir, not.
properly? No.
Yes,
Then
sir.
how to write the address? Tell me. How to write the address here, because we have written here wrong address. This is not the correct address. How to write the address here? Wait 1 second. Yeah, now tell me.
We have to,
Yes, for you. Yeah, whatever you are, tell me. Yeah.
we have to make us a we have to make a folder in the this root directory first. Then we will redirect it to sample.
Yeah, see here already we have a root directory.
Yeah, in a root directory, we have to make a folder sample.html. Then we will redirect it.
Sorry, your voice is not clear. Hello. In our root directory, where
We have
what
to
is?
make a. Yes, sir.
Okay, we have. Yeah. In your root directory, we have to make
Sample file. We have to make a sample file in root directory. Then only we can get redirected.
no, Srivastava. I have. Wait 1 second. Yeah, I have modified the place size. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
have
sir.
modified. I have changed the place size. So that changed the place only I need to write. Okay, just if you paste here, then what is the purpose of this dummy1 and dummy2? Okay, so where it is now? Tell me, where is this sample.html? Observe here. What is the thing I told you? Whenever you are writing here the address in your root directory, where it is? First of all, where I want to navigate sample.html, right? Sorry, Srivastava. Hello, I want to navigate to sample.html or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Srivastava, yes, person. Okay, but see here in your root directory, it is directly available here. Do that sample.html directly available here. Respond. Directly in the root directory. That sample.html directly available in the root directory. That is what I'm asking. Sample.html is available in the directly root directory. Okay, not available. Okay, so this is a file. Yeah, only html.x file is there, but there is no other thing. But what is there? Again, a folder. So I'm little bit optimistic. I am searching in this folder. See this in this dummy1 folder. Are you able to find any sample.html? Are you able to find any sample.html?
No.
Dummy1 folder. Srivastava, respond. Are you able to find any sample.html in the dummy1 folder? Dummy1 folder here.
No, sir, not finding.
Yeah, again what we are finding here, again a folder. I am little bit more optimistic, then go to this dummy2 folder. Now observe.
Yes, in dummy
We are
2.
finding here. Okay, so then what is the path we need to write? Excluding your root directory, remaining path we need to write. Okay, Srivastava and Vasim. Excluding root directory, remaining path we need to write. So excluding root directory, what is the remaining path? Dummy1 and dummy2.
Dummy 2.
So
Yes, dummy 1,
dummy1.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, to separate that folders, we need to write dummy2 slash, what is the file name? Sample.html.
Yeah, got it, sir. Now got it.
Right. Now come here and refresh. Now see there. Now click here. Now let's observe here. Dummy1, dummy2, sample.html. You are navigating or not? So
Yes,
already
now
root
got it.
directory up to the root directory. Yeah. Up to the root directory already path is available. So that's why we need to exclude up to here. Remaining path only we need to write. Remaining path means where
Okay.
how many folders, okay, wherever whatever the folder is containing that file, that particular path, that's it. Okay. Now observe here everybody. Now what is the thing I'm doing is, yeah, one dot html, two dot html. This is one dot html, that is two dot html. Okay. Now here what is the thing I'm doing is, here I'm writing h1 tag. This is first page. And here I am writing go to second page. Now in the 2.html what I am doing, h1 tag, open and close immediately, then only should write right there. This is second page. Okay. Now here I am writing go to first page. By seeing this, you cannot understand anything. I can okay. Right now, first execute the 1.html. See here, this is first page. Coming or not? Respond everybody. 1.html. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Go to second page. That means whenever if you, so you are in the first page, but if you want to go to second page, then we need to use anchor link or not? You need to use anchor tag or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Right. So then how can I go? We need to provide here anchor tag. Of course I am providing. Of course I am providing. Okay. Of course I am providing. But am I writing here the address correctly? Am I writing
No,
the
sir.
address
No.
correctly? So how to
No,
write
sir.
the address? Where it is? Where is 2.html? Search in your root directory. Where is 1.html? Where is 2.html? Both are available in the same directory or not?
Yes, sir.
Both are available in the same
Yes, sir.
directory or not? In the same root directory. So then what is the thing you need to do? Just write the file name only 2.html. Okay. And here write there 1.html.
I got it.
Save it. Now refresh. So there go to second page. Now click here. Coming or not? We are now getting 2.html. We are now coming right. This is second page. Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now click on the go. Yeah. Now click on the go to first page. We are now getting to 1.html or not? Respond everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So this is called absolute path. Absolute path means directly the folder name and directly the file name. This is also directly the folder names and directly the file name. You can use relative path also, but tomorrow class I will tell you when to write a relative path, all those things. Okay. Right. Then you will get some clear knowledge. Okay. Right. Okay. So
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
we'll meet and we will discuss. Okay. Yeah. Other topics also. Okay. Right. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today. And whoever paid and everybody will get the videos Saturday morning by 11 o'clock. Okay. Right. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll continue. Okay. Yeah. Bye
Okay, sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Right.
Bye, friends.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Hi everyone. Good evening. Right. Welcome to the demo class. Right. So now today topic is introduction of the technologies. Right. So our course is, what is our course? So our course is HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap version 4. This is our course. That means UI technologies is our course. Okay. HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. This is our technologies. Right. So before going to this introduction, I will introduce myself. My name is Ramesh. I have 10 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Right. So this is about my introduction. Right. Now this technologies HTML5, CSS3 and Bootstrap. So by using this, what we can do, we can develop, we can create user interface. What is that? User interface. That means user interface. That means UI. Understanding everybody? Hello. Don't be silent, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, I'm hearing you. Hearing you.
Yes, sir.
So user interface UI. Okay. So there is other terminology also there. UX. What is that? UX also there. Suppose if you are walking in the Amirpet Maitravanam area, you will say UX/UI technologies, something like that. You will say, understanding UX/UI, something like that. So what is the difference between UX and UI? Both are same, or else they are same, or else there is any difference? UX or UI? What is your opinion? Just try to guess. UX and UI both are same, or else is there any difference? Hello.
UI means the interfacing. I mean, uh, we are going to interact with, and
Okay.
UX means the user experience, what we are experiencing.
Okay. Right. So here UX and UI both are not same. Okay. UX and UI both are not same. So UX is graphical part. UX is graphical part. UI is programming part. That means HTML CSS part. Okay. So UX means user interface. User interface. Sorry, UX means user experience. I'm really sorry. X stands for experience. Okay. UI means user interface. So user experience means what user will experience. What user will experience. Suppose if you observe here, if you going to this, wait 1 second, there is no logos. So you are experiencing here, see it, you are seeing here a cart, right? Everyone kindly respond. And here you are seeing here is a magnifying glass. You are observing or not? Don't be silent.
Yes, yes,
Here
sir.
please respond. Okay, and here you are experiencing this cart also. So by seeing this, what we can experience? Okay, this is about our products. That means this is a what cart is. And by seeing this, okay, we can search here something like that, we can understand. Understanding or not? Okay, everybody. So
Yes, sir.
what is this
Yes, sir.
user experience? Suppose if you are seeing here a greater than symbol, this one, and you are seeing here less than symbol, by using this, what you will understand? Less than and greater than you will understand, or else you will, it is previous and next you will understand. How you will understand it? This is previous and this is next, right? Everybody,
Next.
please respond.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So by you seeing this, what we are seeing, so this is for, yeah, this arrow is indicating the forward. That means next. This arrow indicating the backward. That means previous. Okay. So UX means what? Graphical user graphical part. So by default, see if anybody sends the requirements, okay. So nobody directly nobody start a HTML page directly. So okay, business team, business analyst will fix the requirements after talking to the clients, and they will send the requirements to the various departments, UI department, okay, that means the designing department, and programming departments, mobile application development and web application development and testing department, okay. So and one they will they will keep a copy to the business team person, business analyst persons also. They will keep a requirement sheet themselves also. So what they will do, they will send it to the designing team, right? In the designing also there will be two persons will be there. Okay, UX designers and web designers, UI designers. Okay, everybody. So most of the time UX and UI will done by the same person. Of course, UX is not included in the course. That means that is graphical part. Photoshop we need to use it, so that is not included in the course. But just information I'm telling. Okay, everybody, right?
Okay.
So yeah. So now what they will do? First of all, they will send you the designing thing. So what the designers will do in the designers also, UX person will start the first work. Okay, so he will gather, he will read all the requirements, then he will know how to convert the requirements into an application form. So where the search box should come, where the logo should come, where the menu should come. That means notification menu, something will be there, right? So where they should come.
Yes, sir.
Then after where they should display the other menu, or else any categories or something like that. That means, okay, how to display the offers. Then after how to display different categories. All those things they will understand. Okay, then they will first design a wireframe. What is that? What they will do? They will design a wireframe. Who? UX persons. So your wireframe
Okay.
means what? Positions of the application. So here logo will come, here search box will come, here menu will come, like that. Okay, everybody. So first we will start the project UX designer. So we will open a Photoshop, okay, software, and then he will design that positions, and he will send it to the wireframe to the client. So if the client is satisfied with that positions, then he'll ask, yeah, then that person will ask him to design, to convert that into a markup. Then what he will do? He will just simply, okay, he will just simply place the exact images in the exact locations. For example, I will display something for you. Okay. See here, markup. See here, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Seeing it, everyone. Okay, this is the wireframe. Sorry, what is this? This is the wireframe. So here logo will come, left side, top side, top left, logo will come. Top right, some notification related icons will be there. Understanding? Then after there will be a slide image. Horizontally center, there will be a search bar. Below that, exactly adjacent to exactly below, there will be a menu also. That menu will be 4 types: menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, and menu 4. And below, sorry, and then after there will be 2 categories: trending food and best offers. And normally they will display 2 things below the image. What is that? Item name and restaurant name. But whenever you over see here, there will be another 2 things will be there. One is the price and another one is the order now button. Clear, right, everybody? And then
Yes, sir.
after there will be review section. Okay, so review your image and review your description. And then after footer, in footer also horizontally they will divide it into 2. So in the below section they are writing, just writing the copyright information, and in the above section they are again dividing into 3 sections. One is left side, and another one is the middle, and another one is the right. Okay, everybody. So again in the left section
Yes,
also
sir.
they are dividing into logo and the about us section, and in the middle they are writing here subscribe for newsletters purpose, and in the right side they are writing here social media icons promotion. Okay, related to our application. Clear, right, everybody? What is the wireframe is? Respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is done by only one person is responding. I want
Yes, sir.
everyone's
Yes, sir.
response. Okay. Right. 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 Okay. So UX person, he will design this type of things. What is this? Wireframe. So then after he will send it this wireframe to the client. If he is satisfied with these positions, then he will request to the designer to convert this into a markup. So how to design what is markup? You will observe here. Observe the markups. You are observing, right, everybody? Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See there? Yeah, exactly. Left side logo, and right side some notification icons, some icons. This is the related application related uh, pointer. Okay, location pointer, and this is for bouquet table, and this is the price related things, and this is the user sign and login related things. And then after see there, search bar. Exactly below there is a menu also. Okay, and again in the back end there is an image. And observe here, trending food and best offers 2 sections. Normally it is displaying the item name and restaurant name. and then after whenever the user is over, the image is little bit zooming, and then after here it is showing this price and this buy now also, this one, but what is this button also,
Add to
buy
cart now.
now,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, order now button also. Okay, right, then after there will be review section. See this review your image and the description, review your image and the description, and again the footer, two sections, below is copyright and above is three sections, left side, middle and right side. See this right side there is only social media icon promotions, social media promotion related links. Right, everybody, can you respond?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, right. So Srivastav, you are not responding. Rana.
I'm responding.
Okay, right. So this is what? This is the, what is this?
Logo bar.
Markup. Markup.
Mark.
Okay, what is this? Markup. Okay, not markup. MOCKUP. Okay, markups. So markups means what? Exact images in the exact location. Wireframe means what? Only the locations. See here, only the location. There is no proper images. Only the locations. But markup means exact exact images in the exact location. Okay. So if the user is satisfied with this type of, yeah, you are saying something.
Markup language means M-A-R-K-U-P. Markup, na?
See, I'm telling you about markup. I'm not telling you about markup. I'm not telling you about HTML. Okay, Srivastava, don't get confused. Markup. This is. This is not about
Please tell the
language.
spelling.
Okay.
Spelling.
Hello.
Spelling. Please spell it.
MOCKUP. Markup.
Okay.
Don't compare this with that okay, HTML markup. Okay, I will explain that HTML a little bit later. Okay. Yeah, right. Right. So other persons are understanding, right? What this markup is? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then after what he will do, he will send this to the client. So if he is satisfied with this designing, then what he will do? Okay, he will request the proper designer to convert this into a web page. So then what he will do? He will design like this. See, this is the HTML page. Of course, this is not our project. This is not our project. Okay, don't expect this. Okay, our project, our template is different. Okay, right. So see here, this is the logo and this is the notification icons. And if you observe here, there is a drop down menu. That means there is a menu. And then after, whenever you over see there, it is zooming and the price and order now button and details, and this one also coming. Okay, right. And then after review section, see there, copyright and footer, three sections, left side, below, sorry, middle and the right side. Okay, right, everybody. Hello. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So this is what happens internally. So before starting the project, this is the process they will conduct. Okay, this is the process they will do. So to design this web page, okay, to convert to design a web page, they will use these technologies. To design a web page, they will use HTML5 and CSS3, and to convert that web page into a responsive web page, they will use this framework called Bootstrap. They will use this framework
Okay.
called Bootstrap. Okay, right.
Okay.
And then, so now what we will learn in this course? Okay, what is the thing you will learn in this course? That means what is the thing we will design in the last? So everybody will get that doubt also. So that's why I am telling here. Observe there. See this. This is the template we will design in the last, and this is responsive. And if you observe here, see there. Whenever it is maximized, the menu is coming clearly. But whenever it is minimized, the menu icon is coming, not completely the menu directly, but whenever you click, then only the menu is coming, and whenever you click here, the menu is going. Understand everybody?
Okay, sir.
Observing or not?
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
And now when if you observe here, this is occupying only 75%. 75% only this text and this area is occupying. Okay, and then scroll it. So if you observe here, it is coming 2 sections per row, 2 columns per row. But whenever you maximize, it is coming 4 columns per row. And whenever you minimize, it is coming in the smartphones. They are coming only 1 column per row. And observe here in the smartphones, they are coming one by one, this image and this one. And if you observe here, whenever you scrolling, the image is not moving. It is called parallax effect. That is also I will tell. Okay, right. And then
Okay,
after
sir.
this is coming 2 columns per row, but normally it is coming 3 columns per row. And if you observe this about section also, in the tablets they will come side by side, but in the smartphones only they will come one by one. They will come one by one. Okay, right. But in the tablets they will come this much, this way, side by side. Okay, in the tablets they will come side by side, but whenever you minimize, they will come like this. This is a team. They are coming one by one, and but whenever you maximize, they will
Side by
come
side.
3 columns. Yeah, side by side 3 columns per row, and there is a slide also there. And then after there is a menu. There is a map is there. How to add your address in the from the Google Maps into your web page, and there is a form also. Okay, this is what we are designing end of the course by using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Clear, right, everybody? What is the thing we are going to design in the last? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is what we are going to design.